So there is this myth, or there has been this myth in our society that in order to make an app on your phone, you need to go to college, you need to get a degree, you need to get hired at a big company, or you need to group up with some friends in order to work timelessly and overnights in order to make an app that you can get on your phone. And I believed this for a long time until now. See, recently I got introduced to block coding, and through block coding, there's a lot of companies doing some cool things that kind of release or get rid of the barrier to entry in order to making apps. So if you have ever wanted to make an app or have been interested in doing that, I would invite you to join me. I created an app. It's a simple game. It just takes you through a maze. It's like a Can You Solve the Maze app. I made it through a platform called Thunkable.com. And what I have done is I've created a 64-page PDF guide that shows you step by step by step how to sign up, how to start the project, how to make the app and get it on your phone. So if you are interested in seeing how I did that, I would invite you to get access to that PDF, and there's a few accompanying videos. So yeah, if you're interested in learning how to make apps, I think this would be a great option for you. And at the end of it, you will, or I believe you will, have the tools to get started on your own app. So join me today to code your very own Maze app.